right, so here I am. I'm recording my video just in the camera roll. I have my green screen behind me. So now let me show you how to put this in iMovie and replace this green screen with what other background you want. So now that I've recorded myself in front of my green screen, you're going to use some sort of background. So you can create one in Keynote, you can draw your own, or I've just gone into Safari. I found a desert. Maybe I want to put myself in the desert. I'm going to click this photo, and when I see Save to Photos, now I have this in my camera roll. Next thing I'm going to want to do is open up iMovie. When iMovie opens at the bottom, you're going to see Start New Project. Then I'm going to choose Movie. And then instead of selecting videos to go ahead and add, I'm just going to say Create Movie. Now I am in my movie creation page. The first thing I'm going to do is add that background. So over here on the right hand side, choose Photos, All. As you can see, there's that image I got from the internet. So I'm going to tap it, and then you're going to see a plus button. Go ahead and press plus. It's going to drop it into my scene. Now you can see right here it says 6 seconds. I want it to be longer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap it, and you're going to see this yellow bar on the right hand side. Go ahead and grab that yellow bar and just drag it to as long as you see. So maybe I need it to be 40 seconds. So somewhere around here, I'm gonna let go. The next thing I want you to adjust, you'll notice that the video is moving like this. If you don't want your background moving like that, click this image, and then you see right here it says Ken Burns enabled. Go ahead and tap that. So once I've disabled Ken Burns, that image is now still. So now I have my background, so I'm going to scroll with my finger back to the front of the video, and then I'm going to go back to Photos, back to Media, until I get to Video. Now I'm going to do All, and I'm going to find that video I recorded on the green screen. Now this time when I tap it with my finger, instead of this plus button, choose these 3 dots, and then you're going to see an option for green blue screen. It's going to drop it above my image right here, and then it should automatically notice there's a green screen and remove that green screen. So now you can see there's me in front. If it happens to not remove that green screen, so let me reset this. Say for example, that green screen didn't go away. I'm going to tap this video, and then it says tap a color to make it transparent. I'm going to tap over here on the green, and there it goes. So now, here's my video.
So here I am, I'm recording my video
of me in the desert. But as you can see, my background is too long. So I'm gonna use 2 fingers right here in this space, and I'm gonna pinch small like this until I can see the end of this video. And then I'm just gonna grab this yellow marker, and I'm just gonna bring it to the end of my video. So now you can see these are now the same length. So now my video is done. I'm going to export it. So I'm going to click Done. Now that you're on this screen, you're going to choose the Share. You can share directly to Classroom, for example, but I prefer to save video. That way it goes into my camera roll and I have that for later use. So I'm going to say Save Video. I'm going to wait for that movie to export. It's been exported to my photo library. So now when I go into my photos, you're going to see that video. Let's unmute it.
All right, so here I am. I'm recording
Just
my
like
video
that.
just in the camera.
I'm in the desert. Hope this quick tip was helpful. Have a great day.